Good morning everyone, welcome to our new topic, switch statement under conditional statement in Java. Next is our switch case statement. Under this, if you look at this, then text switch and case 1 with company with the break, then case 2 company with break, then default statement. So term related to switch statement. First is control variable, break statement and default. Control variable means switch n. Break statement, at the end of each case we have to write the break. So under control variable, the variable passed as an argument to the switch statement that decide which case is to be executed is known as control variable. Break statement is the statement used at the end of each case which acts as the case terminator. Default case, if no case is matched in the switch block for a given value of the control variable, default case is executed implicitly. And fall through, in case a break statement you forgot to write, so that is considered as not end of the case. The control enters into the next case for execution. This condition is said to be fall through. So here one program related to switch case statement. Write a manual driven program to find the area of an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle as per the user choice. So our user choice is 1, 2, 3 according to equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. So in this program, first we call a utility package, then through scanner class we will read the value of the choice C. Under system out println we will write our choices: area of equilateral triangle, area of an isosceles triangle, area of a scalene triangle. Next is under switch case statement. Switch C is my control variable, case 1 is my first choice. So if C's value is 1, enter side of an equilateral triangle, read the value of side of equilateral triangle and calculate under area math.square root 3 into s into s4.0, because that formula is given in your question. Then you have to print the area. Then under case 2, enter side and base of isosceles triangle, read AB value and calculate under area b into math.square root 4 into a minus b square by 4, and you have to print the area in this. Next is third choice is you have to read the m, n and p value under scalene triangle, that is measurement of 3 sides of scalene triangle. And first you calculate semi-perimeter k is equal to m plus n plus p by 2. Then calculate the area by the formula math.square root k into k minus m into k minus n into k minus p. Then print the area according to that. Under the default statement, if your choice is wrong, you have to print the wrong choice and close the bracket. Here under execution of program, you have to enter your choice according to your choice. If it is scalene triangle, you have to calculate the